What's happening, y'all? Chef Gerard here at the Creole Cockpit, and let me tell you, these Cookie Monster brownies were nothing short of amazing. So first, we're gonna take a pan, we're gonna lay some foil, then we're gonna spray it. After we spray it, we're gonna lay a foundation on Oreos. After that, we're gonna make our brownies. You're gonna make it exactly how it say on the box. You wanna add a little razzle dazzle, do your thing. After that, you're gonna take your brownie mix and you're gonna lay it on that foundation of Oreos. You're gonna spread it out evenly, cover all the corners. This is important, cover all the corners. After that, you're gonna take your cookie dough and you're gonna layer it. Boom. You're going to lay it right on there, just like that. Next time, I'm making these cookies a little bigger, but this was fine. After that, you're going to take your soft butter, put it in a mixing bowl. You're going to pour your heavy cream up in there, a little splash of vanilla. Then you're going to mix it up. Next, you're going to incorporate your powdered sugar, confectioner's sugar, until it makes a buttercream frosting. You're going to do this slowly, little by little. Then it's going to come together. Next, you're going to throw in your Oreos, just a little bit at a time. Make sure they crush real good. Next, you're going to incorporate your blue food coloring. I had to add quite a bit to get this Cookie Monster blue, but hey, it's all good. And then I had to add some more Oreos because I love Oreos. Boy, if you know me, I love some Oreos. Next, you're going to take your brownie out the oven. You're going to let that cool a little bit because you don't want to melt the buttercream frosting. After that, then layer it real good. Layer it on top like that. And then I had to cool it again after I put this buttercream frosting on there. And then after that, melt some chocolate chip and then boom. Got your Cookie Monster brownie. And when I tell you this thing was off the chain, oh my goodness. See why the Cookie Monster be acting the way he be acting. I'm Chef Gerard from the Creole Cockpit. Let me know what y'all think when y'all make these Cookie Monster brownies. Make sure you tag a brother. Yeah.